Peace, love, light, and healing. Thank you for watching. Big up my London crew, big up US crew, big up Jamaican crew. So yeah what? Today I'm going to do a group of head. Curry the group of head right now, with some short green white rice. So I say, so stay tuned and watch what I go on. Enough love. For the curry group of fish head, we're going to use these as the recipe, right? We have thyme, we have onion, we have garlic, we have crushed pepper, we have salt, we have black pepper, we have garlic powder, we have cayenne pepper, we have paprika, cilantro, and some turmeric and cumin. Alright? So these are what we're going to work with today. You see for yourself, and let's do this. And don't forget the short grain white rice that we're going to use, okay? Alright, squeeze some lime in it. Alright, lemon. Yeah, I think it's a lemon, alright? Some vinegar, just to take away that rawness. Alright, we're going to put some salt on this, kind of get it a pre-season. Black pepper, and some of turmeric, just for kind of get the color there. This is the pre-season, yeah. I'm going to just use a half an onion. Put some oil in this. We'll add the garlic. Add the onions. Add some crushed pepper to this. Thyme early. I'm going to burn some of my turmeric right now with it. Add my color for now. And some cumin. Some coriander. aka cilantro. So you better know that. Right, I'm gonna add some water. So I'm gonna make this kind of cook down in our way without the fish yet, you know. Alright. So this is my curry. What I do? Add some paprika to that. Some garlic powder. Some cayenne pepper. Not too much. And of course some more salt. When you have the fish, you know, you can't go wrong, you know. You have to make sure you season it with salt, you know. Especially with curry, you know, because you know, so curry will run your belly. You understand? So I'm going to make this boil for a minute. Boom, bad. Smells so good. Alright? Put in them boy in name, you know. That me I tell you, know. Alright, so I'm going to cover him up now and make him go and cook. So I look on 20 minutes. Alright? So stay tuned. We have 3 cups of the short grain rice. Right? We have a balance that off with 4 cups of water. Right? So 3-to-1 ratio. Add some salt. Alright. And you left that to cook. The rice finish. And this is finished. Alright. So I'm gonna dig in right now. And there you have it, guys. Dinner is served. I'm going to dig in right now. So peace, love, light, and healing. Thank you guys for watching and continue to watch.